Hi, so today I'm going to show you a very great tool for using for shopping online. Nobody really wants to pay full price and we always want to find the best deals possible. So I'm going to show you a website or an app called shoptagr. Shoptagr is free to use. You just have to sign up. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. So you can see I already have a few items that I'm researching. Um, this is all the store that they work with. There are like 4,000 stores. Also, you can see there are coupons that the ShopTagger offer. Okay, so let's do a little research. Let's say we want to go to buy something on Target. So let's go to the website. Now, let's think about something that we want to buy. Like I thought about maybe a present for kids, so LOL toys maybe. Okay, so I think I already researched it before. Yes, I did. Okay, so as you can see, there is the little tag on the right. So it means that it worked through a shop tagger. So this is all the toys, and you can see now you can save it with the little tag. So you can save all of them or you can choose only one of them. So I'm saving this one. In other ways, you can just pick the one that you want from the browser here and just add it to shop tagger. And here you go, it was saved. So if we will go back to shop tagger, you will see that it's on my item list. So another thing that you can find is actually items that ShopTagger is already researched and you can just add it to your list. So let's see what they have here. They have all kinds of stuff, not just fashion. They have other things. Let's pick one. Let's pick this one out and just add it to my list. There we go. So it was added and now if I go back, it will be in my items. So let's do that. Yes, if you can see, it's already in my basket. So what else ShopTagger can give us? Let's see. So you can see all the items that I'm interested in, see if their price will change in the past few weeks. What else? Let's see. Okay, so if you go here, you can see three little dots and they will give you all the information you want about the product. So we still don't have any prices because I just added it. But if there was changes, you will see. You can see similar items to the product that you are wanting. Don't forget to use Rakuten. Rakuten is used to be Ebates, and you will get cash back on any order. It's very convenient. Please, if you don't sign up for it already, I have a link down below. You will get $10 of your first purchase. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helps you. Bye bye.